In this session we're going to look at company van benefits. So where it's the case that an employer provides a company van for private use of an employee, that employee is going to receive a van benefit. They would also incur a fuel benefit if the employer was also paying for private petrol or diesel for the van. You should be aware though that no van benefit would arise if the employee just took the van home at night. Now that's not the case with company cars, but it is with company vans, and also uses the van for the occasional trip to the rubbish tip, for example, so very occasional private use. So how do we calculate the benefit? Well, the van benefit is simply £3,170 per annum, and that figure is given to you in the tax tables that will be available in the exam. If, however, the van emits no CO2 emissions, then we would simply take 20% of that van benefit as being the benefit for the employee. In addition, the van fuel benefit is £598 per annum, and again you're provided with that figure in the exam. Now, where a van is not available to the employee for private use for 30 or more consecutive days, then we time apportion that van benefit to the period where the van was available. But we have to ignore periods of less than 30 days. Again, as we've said before when we were looking at company cars, you would normally calculate this on a daily basis, but do it on a monthly basis in the assessment unless told otherwise. So let's have a look at an illustration. So in the tax year, Astrid had the private use of a company van, and her employer also paid for her private fuel. Now the van was unavailable for 5 months of the tax year. So our van benefit is the £3,170 multiplied by 7/12, being 7 months where the van was available. So that's £1,849. And the van fuel benefit is calculated in the same way, so 598 times 7/12 or £349.